Hey, what up YouTube? It's SaudyTube, aka SaudyTube, and today, as you tell from the title, I will be doing an unboxing of this. Based on the title, you probably already know, but still, let's get to it. So it's a pretty heavy box. It's my first time seeing this box. It's really covered and tapered up, so let's see how we gonna open this box first. Scissors. Can I run with these kids? Ta-da! It's a pretty heavy box, I'm not gonna lie. So, I want to give a big shout out to the plug for coming through on this. And so, as you can tell, so it's really heavy. And so, let's see what's in it. The waiting time for this was somewhat long. I'm an impatient person, so it was really long for me. But it was about like a couple, like 2 weeks or so. And so, here's the front. Yeah, so heavy. Look, I'm already out of breath just by doing this. So, has a user's manual, a cable, a box, charger box looks like, and the big bad beast himself. Oh wait, there's something else. Ooh, and the key, fam, and the key. That's how blinged out I am. Your boys. I want to say shout out to the plug, so you know who you are. All right, so okay, there's nothing else. So let's get rid of this. Smells like brand new shoes. So if I lift this, you get this. That's right. Look at those wheels. Look at those rims. Flawless, ain't it? Look at that. It is amazing, mate. It's amazing. And so, wow. The piece fell off. Really? Just my luck. The piece fell off. I'm gonna have to go send this back now. Anyways, if I take off its wrapping, yo, I'm really disappointed in this right now. I'm about to send this back if this thing falls, because this is a huge disappointment to me right now. Who knows? We'll fix this. So yeah, got this. Pretty stylish. Got the charging cable. Got the little U-wheel sign. This is how it looks. If I hold it with one hand or two hands, because it's pretty heavy. So this is how it looks. Pretty cool, pretty awesome. Here's a side view. Side view. And so yeah, so I'm gonna read this, charge this, and I'll do a short demo of me for my first time riding it. So I'll see you in a few. Alright, so what's up guys? So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of how to ride it. I've never rode it in my life before. I'm surprised I'm even on it. So let's just take it step by step. I suddenly got on here magically. And so, let me show you guys how to ride this. What up, world? What up, world?
Alright,
So as you can tell, he's got music as well. And it got smoke coming out of it because it's so lit. Shout out to Young Man Future.